central kitchen. This will take around 60 days. We are going in phases. We started with patient first. We will go with the students' needs, and then finally the visitors' attendance will be taken care of.
We are trying to initially start the needs of the patients first. So the main goal of this is like we will be going fully on automations, and starting from the start point till the end point, everything will be completely automated, and this will be one of a kind of kitchen as priorly told. It will be a first of kind for the ISO certification as well.
जो हा इंटरिम किचन जो हा तो म्हणजे एक पार्ट असे चालू केले आहे ना सुरुवात झाल्या पण ऑल पेशंट्स विल बी गिवन फूड सो वी हॅव मेड दॅट अरेंजमेंट आणि ते मागीर बाय 1 ऑगस्ट त्यांची किचन आम्ही ऑफिशियल लॉन्च मुख्यमंत्रीचे हस्ते करतले त्यांना फुल फ्लेज सगळे असतले पण वी हॅड टू स्टार्ट न्ही नाव मी जे ट्रॉलीचे जे फेसबुकार जे व्हायरल जातले ते आयजच्यान बंद व्हायरल बिवरल काय नेगेटिव्ह काय ना आम्ही हांगा काम करपाक आणि मुख्यमंत्रीचे हस्ते आम्ही फर्स्टाक लॉन्च करप फुल फ्लेज म्हणजे विथ द कॅन्टीन्स ऑल्सो सो दॅट पीपल आय डोंट वॉन्ट एनी पेशंट टू गेट फूड फ्रॉम द हाऊस
You can
Yes, you
take
get
his
quality
photo
food
also,
in
how
the
he's filling the
hospital
food.
itself. So this is the largest operation of the government with Sodexo in India. Now, once it's fully functional, from today all the patients get food. नाल्या लोकांक भायरच्या हाडपाची गरज पडपाची ना.
Started the patient meal service today because that was the top priority. The other part of the kitchen is already under renovation, and not only that, very soon we will be unfolding the entire spectrum of our services, which as you would have seen in the video covers students, staff, visitors. So all the old cafeterias and canteens are under upgradation. We have a very specific program for students nutrition as well. Visitors aren't left behind, they have many options to choose. We are also in the process of identifying locations where we can set up kiosks for tea, coffee, beverage need of the students at late hours. So we are not talking of only one part of the chain, we are talking of a holistic food service addressal of Goa Medical College. Right nutrition in hospitals. There's been a lot of discussion on this topic if you see for the last few years, but I must say that Government of Goa Ministry of Health is the first state which has taken some concrete step towards right nutrition for the patients and overall well-being of the other stakeholders in a medical institution like GMC, Goa Medical College.
श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांचे खरेच आभारी आहात त्यांचे याद येता कित्याक त्यांच्या माध्यमांतल्यानूच ही फायल सोडेक्सोची फुडें गेल्ली. हांव आयज गोंयचे जनतेक तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सांगूंक सोदता की ते जेन्ना लास्ट ते गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आयिल्ले तेन्ना ते म्हाजे कडेन चर्चा करून ती फायल आपूण क्लियर करून तुका दिता म्हणून तेंचे अशी आमची चर्चा जाल्ली. मेन म्हणजे कितें आसा की आयजचे मुख्यमंत्री हांव तांकां रावल्लो कित्याक तेंचे माध्यमांतल्यान आयजची ही सेवा सुरू करपाक पूण ते आयज निती आयोगाची मिटिंगेक वयता म्हणून ते आनी कांय मंत्री तेंचे कडेन आशिल्ले म्हणून ते सांगले कित्याक 12:30चो आमी टायम दवरलेलो आणि पेशंटाचें जेवण आयजच्यान न्यूट्रिशन आयजच्यान चालू जाते बिकॉज दिस इज अ गेम चेंजर एज फार एज गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज इज कन्सर्न अँड टुडे द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा इज एन्श्युरिंग दॅट ऑल द पेशंट गेट हाय क्वालिटी न्यूट्रिशन. Gone are the days where people were spoiling the reputation of the Goa Medical College by placing on Facebook. There are some people who are actually nuisance value. They don't know what is happening in Goa Medical College and only basically tarnishing, but we rather than concentrating on who is doing negative, we try on one of our simple agenda is to excel in what we do, to get a feel of what we have been trying to do and why we were fighting that we want to have this type of agency with us, this type of agency which is of high repute, so that we can change the perception of Goa Medical College. And most importantly, nutrition is taken care of, canteens will be taken care of, all the outside food courts will be taken care of. Many people from the media must have seen, I think Nadia Almeida also was asking me, why are you debating with these people on the social media? आयज जाय ते घालप सोशल मिडियाचेर. आतां सोशल मिडियाचेर म्हणजे एक संवयच जाला नेगेटिव्ह रावता खंय तरी लंडनाक आनी आमकां ज्ञान दिता की आमी कशें कितें करपाचें. हांगा आमी कश्ट करून करता गोंयच्या लोकां खातीर आनी कितेंय बरोवप खंयचे ओल्ड खंयचे ट्रॉली काडप आनी दिवप. आयज परिस्थिती बदलली, आयज ते कांय ना, इशूच ना तो. म्हणून तुमी सगळ्यांनी इनवॉल्व जावपाची गरज आहा. वी आर ऑल्सो इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्रेकिंग अप सेवरल डिपार्टमेंट्स I will discuss this at a later date, but I want the media to take this to the people that we are serious about healthcare, we are serious about doing things, and this is the way forward. And these are the agencies through which you can enhance the efficiency and provide quality care to the patients.
रँडम चॅकिंग असतले फुडाचे रँडम चॅकिंग असतले
असतले ते
तुमचे
सगळे
कोण
असतले
एजन्सी असते?
ते आम्ही जायला म्हणत असे ना कमिटी असते ते चेक करतले
which will be keeping a watch on.
आम्ही ते कमिटी घातला इन बिल्ट अग्रीमेंट and हा कमिटी that will evaluate from time to time and submit a report to the government because we have to keep if it's a long term association we have to keep this